Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to uninstall Instagram without losing any data. So the process is very easy and simple, so let's get started. So first of all, I would like to tell you that all the Instagram data is stored on their server, so you don't have anything saved in your mobile storage. So you are safe to do that. So let's get started. So first of all, what we're gonna do is go to our settings. In here, what we're gonna do is scroll down and find apps. In here, what we're gonna do is click on app management. Now scroll down again and find Instagram. So here is Instagram. What we're gonna do after that, what we're gonna do is click on uninstall and Instagram will be uninstalled and your data will be saved on their servers. So there's no need to restore your data or something like that because all the Instagram data is stored in on their servers. So if you like this tutorial, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.